Tenerife. What is this? Hello, welcome to my Tenerife vlog. We're exploring Canary Island with my friend. We're staying here for about a week and hope we're gonna have fun. Hello everyone, welcome to Tenerife. We are just arrived and just at the Las Teresitas beach. We're gonna take some pictures and probably going to the water now. Today is our second day already, and so far I'm loving it. So today we're hiking in this beautiful spot, and I'm already sweating. Today we're hiking in this place called Taganana. The views are so beautiful. We joined the couch surfing hiking group. I met some very nice people, and the hiking is like for medium level, I guess. I'm not used to hiking, so I'm exhausted, but the views are worth it. And we are lucky with the weather. Sunny, beautiful day, and we're almost done. I can't believe that we were just up there and we went all the way. We came from here, so the trail was fun. we just had breakfast at this cute place, and we're finally exploring the city center, and then we'll head to the south. I think this is something specific for this area. We came to this beautiful bar just to get some rest. So beautiful. The Canary is just amazing place. I didn't expect this to be this beautiful and so like less of a city and more of a nature. And I love it. I'm literally in love. I wish I could stay here longer, but we have just a few days left. But so far I'm loving it. So Santa Cruz is a nice place for commuting, so it's a good point for starting if you want to visit like different cities, different towns. There are lots of buses going around, so it's a great place to stay and start your trip from. But we've heard that the south is more like a touristy region, so that's what we're going from tonight actually. And Santa Cruz is a nice city. I think it would be a great place to live as a digital nomad, I think. Yeah, there's so many places to eat, like so many. So one thing I noticed in Spain, well, in Canary Islands, that food here tastes so much better than in Hungary where I live. Like the fruits taste sweeter, they have like actual fruit taste, and everything just tastes so good. So yeah, we've been eating a lot and I have to work out more then. We missed our bus and we're waiting for the next one. So facts about Canary Islands that you shouldn't rely on the weather forecast because today is supposed to be a cloudy and cold day, but look at this, like literally no cloud. The sun is shining and it's really warm. And the second thing is the Google Maps, the bus schedule. Some days it is fine, but like today we've been to 2 stops and the bus never showed up. So, now we're waiting for the next one and hope it will come because we want to visit another small town called La Laguna, and we wanted to explore more of the city. So yeah, hope it will come. Today we're exploring Los Cristianos. This is a small touristic town in the south of Tenerife. It's full of tourists, not like in the north. It's also quite beautiful and unique. So let's see. Los Cristianos is full of tourists, especially British and Germans, and it's full of older people. I don't know why, maybe it's like retirement place or something, but it's so very cute. I like it. So everyone we met told us that the south will be more commercial and more touristic than the north, and the locals and real travelers prefer the north because it's more nature, it's more wild and more beautiful. And now I see what they're talking about, because look at the south, it's full of restaurants and full of like more touristic places, and everything is literally overpriced here, but it's still beautiful. But I think we did it good that we visited the north first to see how the things are there. We visited Taganana, which is protected area, and it was definitely worth hiking there, even though I'm not a big hiking person. Um, and here in the south, I feel like everyone is lazy, which is not a bad thing either when you're on vacation. So yeah, if you're more into touristic, commercial, kind of lazy, just laying on the beach, vacation kind of places, the south will be the one for you. Um, but the views are amazing. Like the palm trees here, it's just insanely beautiful. I think I'm the luckiest person because I always lose something, and I think I just forgot my sunscreen somewhere on the beach, and obviously someone picked it up, so I don't have sunscreen, and it was brand new. So yeah, things like this happen when we travel. So I think I'll have to go get another one because I don't want to burn. Hello everyone. I hope it's possible to hear me because as you can see I'm on the beach and the waves sound. So yesterday we spent the whole day in this little town called Costa de. It was very very beautiful, but I didn't get the chance to film the video, like talking. But I'll definitely show you what we've seen there. So today we arrived in one of the most beautiful places. It's called Los Gigantes. As you can see, we are on the beach and that's the giant mountains. That's why the place is called Los Gigantes. Um, so yeah, we're enjoying our time. It's beautiful. Piscina natural. Never mind my sandy look. We're just going home. We spent the whole day in Los Gigantes. It's a beautiful place with this giant mountain. And then we stayed in the beach. On the beach is called La Playa Quince or something like that. I forgot the name, but I'll tag it. And the waves are so crazy. I thought I'm gonna die honestly because the waves were really big and then it was so sandy. So I got like rounded in the like on the sandy floor, and then now I'm like fully covered in sand. It's just not going like from everywhere. But we had such a great time. Playing with waves was definitely in my list and I loved it. It was kind of dangerous. I would say I got a bit scared for a moment, but then someone helped me out to stand up and then run to the shore. So, but yeah, it was super fun and I had a great time today. I got a bit burned and I have this suntan now, and I don't know how to explain this to my manager because I'm not officially taking days off. Like, so yeah. But anyway, like I'm barely making time to record some videos because I'm spending time with some other people and it's like always talking and I always forget to record videos, but I wanted to make this vlog like really informative. So the first day we visited Los Cristianos. It was a beautiful touristic place and someone told me that it's the place where you see all of the British people and German people, and that was true. Like the place is full of older people, especially Germans and British. Yeah, and I felt like we were the only young ones, but it was fun anyway. The place is beautiful. I loved it. The next day, yesterday, we went to Costa de. It's another very similar small touristic town full of beaches, very nice views, palm trees, luxurious hotels, like five-star hotels, resorts, and so on. And today we came to Los Gigantes. It's also beautiful, very similar, luxurious hotels, and so on. But I think I loved Los Cristianos the most, maybe because I saw it first, or maybe because that's kind of the biggest one. But all of them are like half an hour, 20 minutes drive away from each other, so it's definitely worth visiting all of them. Um, but I still kind of miss the north. I think that was a very like more nature, more like local people place. So I think it's better to start from the north and go to the south like we did, so you can clearly see the difference. And also the island is full of like beautiful sandy beaches, rocky beaches, like black beaches with black sand. That was my first time seeing like a volcanic black sand beach, and they're so unique. Like I've never experienced something like that in my life before, but it's really worth seeing. It's like the sand is black and it's so small, like the pieces are so tiny, and it never leaves your clothes, like it never leaves your body even because like I'm just like trying to keep myself like just clearing it up, and it never goes away until like you shower for like 1 hour or something. But I think that's the beauty of living in an island. People who live here tell that they're kind of used to being like in salty water, like feeling salty water everywhere and being fully kind of like sandy mood. So I think that's kind of the idea of an island life, I guess. Now we're just at the supermarket. I just stayed in because I'm wearing bikini and I didn't want to go to the supermarket like that. We're getting dinner at home and I think I'm gonna sleep like a baby today after this waves the game. Yeah, so, and actually the days are so long here, like the sun sets around 8:30, like 8:50, even like almost 9ish, and it feels like it's never time for dinner, but it's actually already time for dinner now. It's like 7:30, like it's 7:30, and like look at this light. I'm not used to it because in Budapest sun sets really early at this time. Like now it's April, so yeah. are in Puerto del Cruz, spending our last 2 days here. Puerto is in the north central part, and it's a nice, beautiful touristic town. We are on the beach right now. I think it's called Arai.Rkh, if I'm not mistaken. Beautiful views, beautiful beaches around, and a lot of old people. I don't really know the reason yet, but it's a cool place though. Wow. Where'd you get
That's
it?
cool, huh? I ordered in China. You cannot put it in your eyes because
It's strong.
it's very strong.